Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with a new video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you. I got this hair of Alipearl and I just want to give my honest review about it, okay? So I got my hair today and I was like, you know what, I want to do a little video. So that's what I'm doing, okay? So I'm gonna open it and tell y'all what I think, okay? And it's gonna be the truth, alright? Because I put this and I want to tell you what I think. First, we got this box, okay? I feel like they could do better with the boxing, because if people are paying hundreds of dollars for a wig, at least give them like a good box. But I'm super happy that my box is not messed up or whatever, because I know some people got it and it's broken or whatever. I feel like they have room to improve, definitely. So yeah, now I'm going to open it. Alright, so when I open the box, this is what I see. Hold on, let me look in the bag to see. No, there's nothing in the bag. So this is what I see when I first open the box. And inside you got the wig, and they give me a wig cap. I think this is good because, like, you know, you can put some foundation or whatever that's your skin tone and, you know, make it work. So that's definitely a plus. And then you got this card that says Alipearl on it. It says human hair wig, and in the box it just tell you how to clean it, hair care, and all that. And then we got this. Oh my god, this is so cute. I like this. This is super cute. Yep, you can put your wig in it if you're traveling or whatever. The most important part is the wig itself, okay? So this wig was like, it's a 26 inches. It's a 26-inch unit, and it was $363. And when I put the code or whatever, and it came out to $323. So yeah, so that's why I'm saying, like, if people are paying hundreds of dollars for a wig, like, you know, the box is not that bad, but I think they can do better with the boxing, like, honestly. Because, for example, look at Love Me Hair. Their boxing is so good. Yes. So I feel like they can do better with the boxing. Get what I'm saying? But anyway, so this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It's a 26 inches. So now I'm just going to tell you, you know, how the hair feel or whatever. Ooh, mama. Anyway, so I'm just going to take this off. This is the wig, you guys. I'm 5'3", so this is definitely gonna be long on me. So yeah, this is the wig. This is an invisible lace or HD lace, whatever you want to call it, okay? And I believe it comes with like a little baby hair or whatever. I'm gonna put it on my arm so you can see. Look, yes, the hair is so soft. Let me see, sheddings, yeah, like a string, whatever. The hair is really soft. Oh my god, ugh, I can't wait to rock this, baby. The hair is really good. And especially, like, if you're someone, like, I'm the type of person, like, if I put a wig on my head, sorry if I'm keep looking that way. If I put a wig on my head, like, it's gonna itch me. I cannot leave it for like 3-5 days. It's gonna itch bad. And like, if you want to give your edges a break, this is the perfect wig for you, okay? I'm not saying this specifically, not this one, you get what I'm saying? But like a 5x5 closure is your best option, because like, who want to get up and then, you know, like glue their hair down, fix it. This you can just slap it on literally Okay, so that's why I definitely got it. I was like, yeah, it's a little bit expensive or whatever, and but I don't know, I just wanted to try their hair. So the hair is really soft. Like, look at this. It is really soft, baby. It's a little bit expensive, but if you can afford it, definitely buy it. Okay, the hair is really good. And another thing, like, I wanted to add in the video, like, is it really worth it? Is it worth it? I feel like it's definitely worth it, because the hair itself feels really nice. And I'm going to give y'all like another review on like after like a couple of days, because like I don't want to say it's really good right now and be like, oh yeah, I'm confident it's really good. Like, no, but it feels really nice. It don't have a bad smell on it. It don't have a bad smell on it, so that's definitely a plus. Because listen, you guys, I used to order hair from AliExpress, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I do not order hair from them anymore. So I ordered this hair, and when it came, they gave me a black wig cap. That was my first red flag. Second, the wig came in a bag like this, no box, nothing. Okay, and they gave me some ugly eyelashes, and I'm like, no. And the hair stinks so bad, like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it smelled bad. Okay, and I was like, you know what, instead of like, if you want to be a baddie on the budget, I get it, you can order hair from AliExpress, but Alipearl is definitely a must, because their hair is really good. They don't have a bad smell. Their boxing is not too bad. But yeah, so I think that's the really good part about it. And so I ordered two hair from AliExpress. I ordered a curly one and a straight one, right? The curly one, I ordered the 24 inches, and that hair was short. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I was like, there's no way that's 24 inches. And then like after a couple of times I wore it, like, it just, the lace just ripped off. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna buy it. And this is my first time trying Alipearl, so if this wig really lasts, I might keep ordering from them. Like, I don't mind the money as long as the quality is good. That's all that matters to me. Like, I don't care about the money, okay? I don't. So, and my other thing that I wanted to add is I thought they was gonna send me like a headband or whatever. They didn't send me that. I didn't get a headband for my wig. And this, the wig size, I mean the cap size, I believe it was a large. I ordered a large because listen, look at my head. Like, I got a big head. I got a big head. I'm not even kidding. This is so embarrassing, but I really have a big head. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order a large. And this is the inside. Like, I'm glad I did order a large. Sorry, I'm super glad that I ordered a large, because I got a big head and I don't want it to be too small. Okay, I don't want it to be too small. So I'll be doing an install video for you guys if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to slay that baby one right here. Okay, keep a lookout for my next video, because that's gonna be live. Okay, and yeah, I think this hair is like, I can't stop touching it. I cannot stop touching it. Okay, so if you want a good wig, baby, and you have the money to buy it, I would definitely recommend Alipearl, because yeah. Yes ma'am, I like this. This is the end, and the end is really full. Like, it's really cute. And another advice that I have for you guys, if you want to buy a wig, baby, if you're buying it from AliExpress, please read the reviews. This is a must. Like, you have to look at the reviews. And another red flag that you have to look out for, if you're buying a wig from AliExpress, right, and you see like the same pictures are being used twice, by two different people, don't buy the hair. Or keep looking. If you see like people say good things about the hair, you can buy it, but definitely keep a lookout for that. Okay, because I paid that one time, I'm not gonna lie. If you're buying a hair from AliExpress, definitely look at the ratings. You have to, I guess the good ones are like 4.5 and up. That's what you have to look out for. And look at the reviews. If it says good, then you can buy it. It's not gonna last you as long as you would expect, because let's be honest, you're paying like $100, 100 something for a week, like, you know. So yeah, but definitely, and if that's what you want to buy, then yes, go for it, baby, go for it. We all want to be a baddie on the budget. Okay, me, the only reason why I got this wig for that much is because I was like, you know what, instead of keep buying like synthetic wigs, I never bought that. But I see a lot of people on TikTok are talking about synthetic wigs, and I was like, instead of buying like a synthetic wigs, two synthetic wigs for like 100, because they really cheap, I was like, I'd rather buy like a human hair wig, even though if it costs me like $300, but I'm gonna have a good wig. And this hair, like, you can style it. Like, I just want something slap on my head, like when I'm going to work or whatever. I'm definitely not gonna wear that to work, because listen, I paid $300 for this wig. So when I'm going out, baby, when I want to look like a baddie, that's when I'm gonna wear this wig. Okay, that's when I'm gonna wear this, baby. But I was like, I'd rather buy this for $300 and know that it might last me longer than the other ones, than the cheap ones, because like, yeah. But anyways, I will leave the link to this hair in the description box if you guys want to buy it. If you want to check them out, please do so. And also, when you're buying hair from Alipearl, always make sure, because they have a code for everything. Like, if you're buying a wig like that's over $100, they have a code for that. You can get $5 off. If you're buying a wig for $200, you can get $10 off. If you're buying a wig $350 plus, you can get $40 off. That's how I got this wig for $323. So I feel like that's really important that you guys look out for that. And yeah, that is all I have to say about Alipearl hair. They are a little bit expensive, but I feel like if the hair wasn't really good, if it was not a good quality, they would have not charged that much. Okay, and the only thing they have to do is, you know, do a little something about the boxing, because like I said before, people are paying money for their hair. At least make them feel like, okay, like I get it. I guess that's why they are so expensive. Like, I like the packaging. It's not bad, but it can be better. Like, you get what I'm saying? Because I know some people receive their package and their box is broken or whatever. You get what I'm saying? So I feel like there's still room for improvement. But other than that, the hair itself, it's really good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it looks true to length, and it's really full, it's really soft, and it don't have a bad smell. So I feel like, yeah, I feel like it's a good thing. So yes, you guys, that is all I have to say about Alipearl. Okay, and if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video today, please don't forget to like it and comment on what video I should do next. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Don't you want to see this baddie all the time? So definitely subscribe to my channel, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support that I've been receiving lately. I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.